Well, we're back at one of our favorite spots. This wonderful mid to small sized river. We have wonderful luck here usually catching smallmouth, so we're going to give it a nice early morning weekend flipping cast and see what happens. We're going to be trying a bunch of different stuff, primarily Ned rigs on this river. They do a great job because it's about, I would say, 4 feet deep. Some spots about 6 feet down to some shallows where we'll be fishing later in the day. Caught a few different fish here. Caught rock bass, smallmouth, and caught a catfish once. So follow along and let's see what we can catch.
Yeah! I already got the skunk out of the boat.
All right. Another smallmouth.
Number 3.
Nice. Third. Gonna be that day. Well,
this is gonna be a day, man. This is the time of year when we always pick out.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm throwing. So this morning, Josh always throws a copper truce Ned rig. I'm throwing a copper truce larger TRD. Not the Ned rig. So far he's caught 3 fish, 2 smallmouth, 1 rock bass, and just dragging it through. There's weeds all coming through this area. There's good vegetation. Fish are holed up, looks like, in those weeds. Just got a little bite. I think I'm gonna cut it a little shorter.
Oh shit!
Yeah?
Just took it. Just ran with it.
Bigger one? Yeah, he's still running. Little one.
What?
What is it?
Yeah, it's a smallie, but it like slammed that thing and
Yeah.
ran.
There we go. Rock bass. Got one. I just threw him in the boat.
That was like
Pike?
it might have been, because it was like it wasn't like, oh, I pulled on it hard.
It could be a pike. There's pike in here.
Now I have less leader.
Yeah. Caught a little Rocco. Little baby. I literally set the hook and pulled him into the boat. They just shit all over the place. They totally aimed at us. They totally aimed at us. There's like drip, 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 drip all over. Yeah. Smallmouth? Yeah. He's a good size one.
He's swimming.
Nope, got one. I think it's a smallmouth. Nope, rock bass. 4 rock bass. Yep.
That was a nice hit.
Yeah. Smallmouth.
Oh, he just smacked that.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, it was just sitting there and he just wham.
Yeah.
These little guys have got like quite a little bite.
There you go.
Not bad.
12-inch.
Number 8.
There you go.
I mean, they're going to
Another rock bass. Yeah. Another Rocco. That's 6 Roccos. Look at this guy's a big boy.
I think we could do a fly set.
Oh, there we go. Rock bass. Number 7. That's another chunky boy. All neck. Yeah. Not as bright, but
No.
yeah, this guy's like all neck. And then small, no, rock bass. Number 8. What, I'm at 8, right? There we go. That's gotta be a rock bass. Number 9. Rocco. Number 11.
Beetle fin.
Beetles.
11.
There we go. Rock. Is it a rock bass? Yeah, a rock bass topwater. Come on. Try to get away from you boys. That's not fair.
It's a good one.
Yeah, I mean, but still, it's a rock bass. 14.
What are you throwing right now?
Coppertruce on a 6 cents football head Ned jig. 14. So this Coppertruce Ned rig setup just always produces here. It has to do with visibility, like never had a problem. Now it's just trying to figure out what to throw to catch a bigger smallmouth. Topwater didn't seem to be doing it. Catching rock bass on topwater, which I've never done before, but I guess you can. There we go, some rock bass. What, number 16? Got one? Yeah. Smallmouth?
Yeah.
Dang it, I haven't caught a smallmouth yet.
18.
Smallmouth? Wait, he's fighting. Definitely.
21.
Oh, nice. Are you kidding me? Another smallmouth.
Yeah.
It's a bigger one.
Oh yeah, this one's much better.
Nice fish. You want to weigh it? That's a good size one. Ooh, nice. Nice, good fish.
$25.
Smallie?
Yeah. Ow! Son of a... I'm gonna count that.
Okay. I'm gonna count that. Fish?
Yeah, that was like the slowest, most gradual hit
Smallmouth?
ever. Yeah.
Nice.
That'll do.
Yeah, that'll do. Another one?
Yeah.
You asshole. That's a good one too.
$27.
Got one. Rock bass. Smallmouth?
Woo! He's a jumper. He's a runner. He's a track star. $29.
22. There we go. Let's see.
That's a smallie.
That is a smallie. Yay! My first smallie of the day! Oh, 24. Thank you. It's not, he's nothing to be bragging about, but got a fish. Oh. So yeah, this Josh let me borrow a Blitz. That would be a Z-Man Bullet EWG. And nice thing about it, it's a little bit lighter weight than I was throwing, and it's got that underweight weedless. I think that 6 cents football jig Ned head, one, the hook keeper isn't that great. It doesn't keep these highly elastic TRDs on it very well, so it kept slipping down. Two, another fish. The That's a smallmouth, maybe. Yeah, that definitely is a smallmouth. Oh, he's got some fight. Hey, Josh, I might have caught the biggest one of the day.
Oh, he's a fatty.
Oh, that'll do. And you caught another good one.
Yeah, that's first one on the big TRD.
13, 14 inches.
Yeah, not bad.
You just let it sit.
Yeah. I'm checking my phone.
Nice. Good smallmouth, little boy. Maybe I got you your new lure. Is that 35?
No, this is 32.
32. Smallmouth? Yep. Oh, largemouth.
Yeah.
There you go. There's one.
It's a multi-species.
39. Ooh, look at this little smallie.
Multi-species.
Little tiny smallmouth. I think you beat me that one.
It hit the water and that was something.
Rock bass.
It's just boom-a-boom.
Yep, that's good Rocky.
Yeah, 36.
Another one. That's another rock bass. They're big here, man. These rock bass are huge. Like if you had to like survive, you could just have rock bass all the time. Something needs to control the population here. Good smallmouth?
Yep.
Yep. Largemouth.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Not bad, dude. That'll do. Yeah. Ooh.
Nice fish. Mud minnow comes to the rescue.
Maybe 7. Good fight.
Nice. Fish. Rocco. Rocco's modern life. That's probably almost 50.
You stop counting.
I'm at 48. Fish. Yep, Rocco. That's 50. '50th fish of the day. That'll do.
40.
Rock bass. Rock bass party. Rock bass party. Rock bass party. Rock bass party.
Now we can
Smallmouth, yep.
Oh.
They won't let you get that number 40, are they?
No, I have 40.
Oh, you did got 40? I was gonna say.
Okay, there.
Got one. Smallmouth. You want a fish dog? I can throw you one. Hey, bub. Want fish? Up behind the tree. No, little tiny 7-incher. Beats a rock bass any day. There we go. Rocco. Oh, that's a big Rocco. I think I'm like up to 57. You got one? Ooh, that's a largemouth.
Yeah.
Nice size largemouth. Good job. Yeah, he's good size. Chunky. Where'd you catch that?
Over there.
Yeah. Well, we had a really good day. We ended up catching probably between the two of us around 100 different fish. Most of them were rock bass. Caught a few good sized smallmouth and what, 2 largemouth?
Yeah, 2 largemouth.
So never goes wrong when you get out here. We always end up catching a good amount of fish. It's one of our favorite spots for a reason. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks.